Hi everyone, my name is Mark Walmsley and I'm a brand and marketing strategist, and I've just done a fantastic workshop with Andrew Beniston from Tungsten Media. Andrew, thank you so much for joining me for this with Simon over the last few days. It took a bit longer than we thought, but I think we've come up with a really positive result from this. So how was that for you?
Yeah, it's great. I mean, I think it took more time because I think we were just having such a good time. There was just so many sparks flying with us, being, oh my God, that's a great idea. And then you clearly couldn't help yourself either. I was like, yeah, actually, if you did this or you did that. So I think that as an experience was awesome because every 5 minutes it was just like, oh yeah, we could do that as well. And that would be a great thing as well. And so just so many great ideas. So in terms of experience, yeah, there was never a moment where I was thinking, God, we're not really lacking here. Like it was constantly moving.
Yeah, it was great. Just to explain, we've been through the brand discovery workshop where we capture what makes you different, what makes you better, and what makes you remarkable, and what might be a good identifying characteristic that acts as an aid memoir for the prospects. And I think we got that right. We won't say what it is because it will all to be seen and revealed. And then we've just done the minimalist marketing workshop, which is effectively, okay, that sounds great, looks great, feels great. Where do we do this? Where's the fastest running horse in the stable? Who are the right people to get to? So we've been through that, and that was a bit of an eye opener for me. It always is. So Andrew, thanks so much. Tungsten is, I've got to make sure I don't give the game away here, but at the moment, Tungsten is fresh up north, a wonderful filmmaking, strategic, creative studio making wonderful films for agencies and brands in Leeds. But there'll be lots more. So, Andrew, thank you so much for that.
Yeah, Mark, honestly, I really appreciate it. Such an incredible discovery session. Learned so many things that just didn't click on my head before. And it's been really good to pull us out in the open and really gives us a really strong direction of where we're going to take our company in the future. And that's massive.
That's great. Thank you very much. Don't rush off, but for the purposes of our testimonial, I'll hit stop. Thanks very much, Andrew.
No worries, it was all good.